Molweni, namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa the entertainment. Guys, I never thought I'd live to see a day whereby Uma Khumalo is being called out for playing a victim card to offense Gezothando Nesthembu. So recently Uma Khumalo went on the interview no Lungelo M apho uLungelo M ebemdrilla ngequestions sana wambuza into yoba how do you feel about uMakhwela ngendlela ke angene ngayo. So Uma Khumalo did not even try and beat about the bushes. This is what she responded and said, guys, andifuni ukwaMixa amagama akhe so that nani nizokwazi ukommenta accordingly. This is what Uma Khumalo said she feels about a relationship kaMakhwela noTata Mseleku. Uthi ngokwazi kwami usibari wangakini usibari kuwena. You cannot see indoda yam sana wena ube ungumakhelwana wami as a potential. Uthi ayikwazi ukwenzeka lonto sithi sihleli apha nje wena ubusy, you are eyeing on my man but we are omakhi. That is so impossible. Uthi uma wena umbona usuke ubona nje usibari naye. It also goes for him uTata Mseleku kuba naye usuke ebona osibari bakhe lana ekuhlaleni. You should never ever think as umntu ongumakhi that mhlawumbe ujola nobani bani mhlawumbe ngamngena. No, because ubona bani ubona usibari kuye. She goes on to say but ke njengoba sihleli ekuhlaleni not everyone is happy ngempilo zabo. They look and say Nkosi yami mengase kwenzeke nje nami eyami ingane. So she's now pointing at ke abazali bakaMakhwela inoba ngabo bathi nami ingane yami ingene laphayana kaMseleku kungaba njani na. So uthi Uma Khumalo, however, there will be those people who look at you and say ingathi nje uphakeme lona, and then this is when ke kulana ke they cross ama boundaries and take umuntu engowakho although ningomakhelwane. Okay, uthi nje taking someone oseduze kwasekhaya usuke udelela umndeni wami and even nami usuke ungidelela usuke ungangiboni. So this is what the viewers responded and said to Uma Khumalo when she said that about uMakhwela. One person here is saying, but she was a neighbor too before she got married to Mseleku. uMacele once said she used to come across her when uMacele and Musa were moving around the village mosque. Another one came back to say, I think uThobile must just leave this issue, okay? She's hurt, yes, but life has to go on. She can decide to leave or stay. There is no problem. Omnye ati, she was a nanny and a trusted friend. We are just saying. Another one says, your feelings are valid, but you also need to find peace and a solution. You chose someone from your village and now she is here. Fighting the reality every day will drain you. Protect your peace, speak your truth respectfully, and decide what kind of life and happiness you want for yourself and moving on. It's the same as your partner dating someone from your workplace. You may not be related, but you are in the same space. But Umusa is always saying that she's mad about him marrying uMakhwela, and she says she's not because it has nothing to do with her. Like, what's really going on here? Why does she always keep changing Aichoyo about this entire marriage? The last one says, I see a lot of people saying she's also guilty of doing the same thing, but her feelings are valid irrespective of what she did and no one should dictate. We all have boundaries and our boundaries are not the same. Kukhona ke nabachilo ku Instagram into ba Uma Khumalo needs to put all of this anger anayo aside because uMakhwela is bringing ingane njengamanje kwaMseleku and she needs to accept ingane zamakhwela as ke stepmother zingane zamakhwela. So yeah guys, ihambe kanjalo ke indaba kaMakhumalo playing victim over there on Lungelo M's podcast. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Ngiyacela please maskes engage and show links on my next one.